So the scenario we have here is for a local yogurt shop, and what they're analyzing is they're trying to see if the temperature has any impact on the number of customers. And so we have a bunch of different days here with different temperatures and how many customers are coming in on those days. Now, if you go over to plot the data, you go over to Desmos and you hit the plus symbol and the table, and then you can just go ahead and plug the data in. Now, if you look at these points right here, these points aren't in fact linear, so you can't write a linear function to model these points specifically. However, you can create a linear equation that will give you an estimate as to how many customers are going to come in on the shop based on the temperature. So with that, now looking at this, to create the linear regression equation, you just come down into the second line and you're going to type the equation. You want to make sure to write this down because this is something you'll need to remember. You type y1. There's nothing you need to do to get the y and the one, down in subscript. It'll just do it on its own. And then you're going to hit this shift and the key little squiggly right above your tab key. So y1 equals, or is approximately, m times x1. And again, you don't have to do anything. Just type the one. It'll go down into subscript plus b. So if you type this equation into Desmos, it gives you a linear regression equation. Okay. And this is that line. It graphs it right here for you. And you'll see how this line runs about evenly through those points and follows the trend of those points. Now, again, this equation isn't exact because obviously you're going to have days that are going to fluctuate or deviate away from this line, but it's going to give you a good estimate. So with the regression equation, it gives you the M and it gives you the B right here. And all you have to do is take those two pieces of information and plug that into your equation. So I'm going to come back over here real quick and write my equation down. I have I have y equals 0.687x plus 41.158. And again, this was the slope, this was the intercept.